Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. I kind of want to play around with this palette again. This is the e.l.f. Jewel Pop palette. It's got some quite fun colours in here. But I actually want to play with some of these tones this time because I know I play with some purples and greens, and obviously I have done a green look pretty recently. I apologise that I didn't get another Halloween look up. I kind of really wanted to, but I'm not gonna lie, towards the end of the 31 days of Halloween on my Instagram, I kind of got a little bit over Halloween. Just because some of the looks went wrong a few times. I had to do multiple looks in one night. And you know me, I love Halloween because it's a chance for me to play around my special effects stuff and my prosthetic stuff. But towards the end, I did get a little bit fed up with it. And I kind of got over it quite quickly. So it's now the 1st of November. Bring on Christmas. I literally heard 2 Christmas adverts today on the radio, so there you go. Yeah, so I'm going to play with this palette, create a look of some kind. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off my face first. I'm going to take the Milk Hydro Grip Primer to begin with. Prep and prime my skin. Then as always, take my Hint concealer in light. I'm going to take some buffing brush, and I am actually just going to use this all over the face for today's look because that is what I fancy. Ooh. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and use this as well for my concealer. To be honest, I think I only really need this for under my eyes, and I've got a spot on my forehead. My chin isn't looking too bad. I might actually, there's a few scars here I might want to cover. But apart from that, my chin is not doing too badly. Okay, then do my usual setting. I'm going to take my Lily Lolo Sculpt and Glow Gel Kit, taking the sculpting side just to kind of give me a little bit of bronze. I can still just about get some product out of this. So I've been planning out my week of makeup looks through history because I kind of mentioned it a while ago when I did that 60s look that I really want to do it, and I kind of want to really, I don't want to rush it because I know for some reason with kind of decade makeup looks, people can be quite picky with how accurate stuff is. And as I mentioned before, my sister got me that book for my birthday. It's kind of called Timeless, which is makeup and hair, and it shows you kind of the key elements and stuff. So I want to try and get as accurate as possible and kind of do a full-on week of it. So that won't probably come until late November, December time, I reckon, because I just want to, I love doing kind of decade type makeup, so I also want to do it justice as well. So yeah, that is my plan. But I kind of want to do other fun makeup looks as well, because actually one of my Halloween looks that I did do that wasn't anything scary or anything like that was an Egyptian look, and I really liked how it turned out, so I quite like to do some fun ones like that on here. So not necessarily Halloween based, but kind of something a bit different and fun as well. So I'd quite like to do an Egyptian look again because I did really enjoy that. So I did my Nip and Fab blusher palette, which I do quite a lot, and then just going with the Lily Lolo Champagne Illuminator to glow up the skin. Okay, so onto the eye portion, taking my Lily Lolo eye primer as always. Okay, so jumping into the e.l.f. Jewel Pop palette, I think I'm going to start off with this shade here as my transition shade. So I'm picking some up on a Luxie 205 Taper Blending. And I'm going to pop this kind of through the crease area. I'm going to try not to do a winged out look this time. I kind of want to have it a bit more rounded if possible. Although I just feel my eyes do suit a more winged out look better, but I just thought I'd try and mix it up a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to take a bit more of that colour on this side just because I feel like I went quite heavy on the other eye in comparison with this colour. I really like this colour. It looks quite not that appealing in the pan. Actually, it doesn't look too bad on camera. In person, it kind of looks a bit more I don't know, grim like, not grim. Okay, I'm gonna then go into this colour here and just kind of, this is a, ooh, this is run off. I don't know what brush this is, the name's rubbed off, but it's just like a fluffy tapered crease blending brush. I'm going to take that shade and work this through the crease, and I'm also going to bring this onto the outer portion of the lid. Still trying to keep it very much in that kind of more rounded shape. Taking a little bit more of that first shade I used on that fluffy brush, just using that just to blend out that second colour. I'm kind of in two minds whether I want to add this orange colour to it or not. I kind of do, but I also don't at the same time. What I'm going to do is just take some of this kind of beigey shade on the fluffy brush, just go some over some of these edges. I feel like they need a bit more blending, especially on this outer portion. Right, I'm going to try that bright orange shade. I might come to regret it slightly. Let's work this onto the outer portion. Yeah, I don't think I wanted to do that. So I'm going to go back over that kind of second shade I used just to kind of mask the orange a little bit, because I don't think I actually want that orange in there. To blend the edge out. And then going with that kind of really off-white colour to then blend that colour out. Okay, what I'm going to do is I am going to have to lay, to match it, I will have to lay a little bit of that orange down on this side like I did the other eye, and then go over it with that kind of more brown tone, just so they match up. I mean, it's a really pretty orange, but I just don't think I want it for this look. I'm going to take that off-white colour and pop this just over the lid portion. Just to kind of create some kind of gradient from light to dark on the eyes. I'm going to take a mixture of these two brownie tones here, and I just run that along the lash line. Actually take some off-white shade and then just make sure that is a little bit more blended. Okay, what I'm going to do is take the black that's in this palette on a pencil brush, and I'm going to run this along the upper lash line, just on the outer portion, and also on the lower lash line, again just on the outer portion. Just going to emphasise the outer corner section. So this is very much going to be an all matte eye look, which I don't think I've done in a while. So obviously nothing's going to go in the inner corner because I'm not adding any shimmer, but I think sometimes it's quite nice to mix things up a little bit. So I am going to go mascara. I'm going to take my Lady Yellow Big Lash Mascara as always, and go ahead and really coat up my lashes. Okay, so that's the eye portion complete. I actually really like the eyes. So as much as I do love playing with colour on the eyes, like I love the green look that I did last time, it's also quite nice to occasionally go back and just go play with neutral colours. I don't, like I said, I haven't done a matte eye look in quite a while, and I actually really like how this looks. It kind of emphasises and makes my eyes look a bit bigger, I think. So lips, I'm going to take the Lady Yellow Nude Lip Liner. And then for lipstick, it's slightly darker than the lip liner. It's the Lady Yellow Lipstick in Stripped, so from their vegan range. So that's this look complete. So something very autumnal again. I like how it turned out. I like that I've done all matte on the eyes. I really like this lip. I know it's colourful. This palette is has got some fun colours, but like I said, the first time I played with it, I did play with the pinks and purples, or sorry, the purples and blues. The last look was a green look, so I didn't want to do that, so that's why I played with more of these colours. The orange, like I said, it just didn't really work in the look that I wanted to go for it in the end. So I did go for more of the neutral tones in it, but I still like how this turns out. And I do appreciate neutral tones. I do for the colourful looks, I think slightly, or just like a pop of colour. But I do appreciate these more neutral looks, and I really love how this has turned out. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any requests for future videos down below, any recommendations of products, leave down below. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.